Hi guys, today's video about live weather forecast app. Now time to check. Currently in Sinlong now thunderstorm due to habagat affected by typhoon Gabi or Inday. Yep, it's habagat and danger of dehydration and heat stroke if outside of extended periods of time. Monday. It can reach 98 degrees Fahrenheit. Now mostly cloudy in Mexico City. And it said rain starting in 101 minutes. A thunderstorm this evening is expected around 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. before 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. Manila. Danger of dehydration and heat stroke if outside for extended period of time. Sunday afternoon. Yep. Bolton. Heat will be very dangerous. Stay indoors Sunday. Overcast. It's dull and gloomy weather. And those birds are moving. Clouds are moving from from left to right. From right to left. I mean, and it said no precipitation for at least 101 minutes. So they will be on July 13, Monday, a partly sunny and very warm, a thunderstorm in spot in the afternoon. Okay. Wait. Yet the clouds are moving from right to left. Sao Paulo, Brazil, now mostly clear and pleasant Sunday. Yep, today it's now pleasant. By around 1 a.m. until 10 a.m. it would be cloudy, and until 10 a.m. to be mostly cloudy and then intermittent clouds or some clouds and partly sunny before mostly sunny come. Basra, Iraq, sunny. Yet it's unhealthy and cloud cover is currently 0 at 6 a.m. And it say danger of dehydration and heat stroke if outside for extended periods of time. Sunday. Yep, it reached 107 and hot. Caution advised if outside for extended period of time. And look, it can reach 124. Sizzling, freezing, and blasting sunshine and very hot. This UV index can reach only 13, which means can reach 120 above. Queenstown, now cloudy, and snowfall late Sunday night will total a coating to 1 centimeter. Showers and cold and cloudy with a little sun, freezing drizzle at times late accumulating a coating to 1 centimeter. Snow and ice. And a Florida morning still floating chilly. Yes. So I would find this AccuWeather. But sadly, there were no snow in AccuWeather because of in Greenland is still far at the snow of the city. So only just rain and thunder. city would change from Buenaventura to Mexico City because it does not rain and there are a lot of rain. Yes, lot of rain here. And tomorrow by July 5, it's still at July 4 and not July 5. Cloudy with occasional rain and then thunderstorm late in the afternoon. Lightning from nearby stars may impact the soccer match, and by night, occasional rain and a thunderstorm early in the evening. Otherwise cloudy. Lightning from nearby stars may impact the soccer match. Yes, it's very when a thunder sleep when a thunder happen when you sleep at night, it causes it to jerk or we wake up because of lightning that strike of the house. Thunderstorm now. Yes. It's expected a mostly cloudy around 12 p.m. See you guys. Bye.